that Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi as well as Mallikarjun Kharge have arrived for the CWC meeting. Important to understand that this is the first Congress meeting after the Bihar Assembly elections loss. What's also important is the fact that Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has also arrived from Delhi for the CWC meeting. He's in fact also reached the venue of the meeting, visuals of which present on your screens at the moment. Well, on this, you have my colleague Prashant joining us on the broadcast. Prashant, walk us through the details. What exactly is the CWC meeting going to be about today?
Well, Reet, you would recall that when this meeting was convened during the Parliament session, it was announced that this meeting has been essentially convened to discuss the future course of strategy of the Congress party so far as G. Ramji bill is concerned, which has now been passed by the Parliament, has also been assented by the President. So this meeting has been called to discuss the next future course of strategy because Congress feels that it is a ploy to, end the 15-16 year long Manrega, which was meant to serve the poor of the country. So this has been called to essentially discuss that issue only. But in the meanwhile, we have seen how issues like Aravali and some of the other issues have come up. So these issues are also likely to be discussed in the meeting. But one interesting fact is that apart from all the other members of the CWC, we saw Shashi Tharoor also coming and joining the meeting just a while back because in some of the meetings which happened in the last 2 months, some of the key meetings also, Shashi Tharoor did not attend that meeting. But Shashi Tharoor attended this meeting is a very important development.
Prashant, you rightly mentioned that Shashi Tharoor attending the meeting is an important development. We know that, the Congress has washed dirty linen in public, with Shashi Tharoor, of course, making claims even against the Congress party before. So, of course, does this signal some sort of U-turn from Shashi Tharoor's side, perhaps?
Well, it is very difficult to say because we have seen in the last 2-3 months, it's a topsy-turvy ride so far as Shashi Tharoor is concerned. We saw just yesterday Shashi Tharoor, while giving an interview on another channel, he said, and in fact it is being seen as castigating his own leader, saying that he said that if you rejoice the defeat of the Prime Minister on any foreign issue, you are rejoicing the defeat of India. So on the other hand, on the one hand, Shashi Tharoor makes such statement, and on the other hand, he joins this meeting. Remember, on G. Ramji bill, he was one of the most vociferous voice against the bill when it was discussed in the Lok Sabha. So it is very difficult to say whether this signals a thaw in relationship between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress party. But yes, after skipping many such meetings in the past, today he is attending the CWC meeting.